Hello children, today I'll tell you a story about a girl. The girl's name is Emily. Emily loves to go to her grandma's house one day every week. Her grandma had a cat, and the cat loves chasing the mouse. One cloudy day, Emily sat beside her grandma on the couch. Her grandma was doing some sewing. Then Emily grabbed the needle and pricked her thumb. "Ouch!" she shouted. "Ouch, Grandma! I pricked my thumb with a needle."
I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, 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 ow. I pricked my thumb with a needle. Ow, ow, ouch.
Now let's pretend we pricked our thumb with a needle. Ready to do this with me? Say after me. Ouch! Ouch! It hurts, right? Ow! Ow! So this is our diagram for today. Ow. 2 letters, O and U, says the sound ow. Ow. Now let's read the words that have ow. R, and says ow, round, round. Ab, out, about. Found, found. And this is out, out. Loud, loud. Ow. Remember this diagram? T and H says mouth, mouth. Ow, count, count. Out, cloud. Sound, sound. Excellent. Let's see some pictures. Do you know what picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of a mouse. Mouse. And this is a cloud. Cloud. And this is a couch. Couch. And this is a mouth. Mouth. And this is a house. House. Now let's see how are we going to write Diagraph ow. Diagraph ow has 2 letters, the O and the U. So here are the 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Small letters between 2 and 3. Now I'll start with the O, go round between lines 2 and 3, back to the dot, dash on line number 2, straight down, round, up, down with a small tail to write the U. Again, round for the O between 2 and 3, dash on line number 2, down again till line number 3, up till line number 2, and a small tail on line number 3. Again, round, dash, down, up again, down on the same line, small tail on line number 3. This is ow. Ow.